Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Members of the entertainment fraternity are mourning the death of legendary dancehall star and actor Louis Rankin. The popular Jamaican star passed away yesterday in Canada after meeting in a car accident. News of his passing was shared with his fans via his Twitter account. The tweet says, quote, "It saddens us to announce that the original Don Dada, the trailblazer, the legendary Louis Ox Rankin passed away this morning," unquote. Local and international stars including Popcorn, Spice, Shaggy, Cha-Ching Ching, Safari, Tory Lanez, DJ Khaled, among others, sent their condolences to the dancehall star's family. Louis Rankin scored big back in 1992 with his hit track dubbed Typewriter.
No typewriter start bark, no 45 now bark. Oh, Louis attack. Follow me. Original gun come to boom it up. Louis Rankin, they are my friend.
In his acting career, he starred in Belly in 1998, playing the character of Ox. The movie featured rap superstars Nas and DMX.
Down, dog. I need the shot.
So you think you can handle that?
I know I can. I know it.
I don't think about it still.
He was also popularly known for his role as Teddy Brookshot in the 2002 movie Shutters, starring alongside Kimani Marley and Spragga Benz. E-Prime sends condolences to the friends and family of Louis Rankin. Jamaican DJ Spragga Benz has released his new album titled Chiliagon. The album features 15 tracks including Wicked Love, Differ, Good So, Spread Out, Found Me, No Regrets, If You're Ready, King on the Throne, among others. Chiliagon also features collaborations with fellow dancehall stars Sean Paul, Agent Sasko, Cha-Ching Ching, and Bounty Killer. This marks Spragga's 8th studio album and is the follow-up to his 2010 release dubbed Shatta Culture. The album is said to be a diverse cultural celebration of music. Chiliagon was released on Friday and is available on all streaming platforms. Spragga Benz is known for hits such as Shinna Ready, Things Are Gwan, Dolly House, and his recent track Diffo, which features dancehall acts Sean Paul, Agent Sasko, and Cha-Ching Ching. Now, international producer Russian has teamed up with rappers French Montana, Cardi B, and Post Malone on a new track dubbed Writing on the Wall. The song is slated to be featured on Montana's upcoming 3rd album, Montana, that is due out in November. The beat for the track was produced by Russian for Epic Records. Russian has enjoyed crossover success with his Latin hit Crippy Kush. He is credited for Shensea's international hit single Blessed featuring Tyga. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.